Let's make protein bagels. Combine 1.5 cups of flour with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, add in 1.5 cups of whatever Greek yogurt you choose. Then here comes the not so fun but maybe fun part. You're going to mix it together and then you're going to knead the dough together. I might have struggled a little bit with this. Then you're going to form it into a ball, flatten it out, and roll it out onto a floured surface and cut it into 6 equal pieces. Then you're going to create the actual and put it on a pan that has parchment paper sprayed with cooking spray. Once you have your bagels formed, you're going to use 1 egg. I used egg whites mixed with a little bit of water to brush the tops of the bagel, and then sprinkle with whatever seasoning you like. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes and enjoy.